Hey everyone, so I just noticed this new banner in Spotify. So if you just tap on the today's top hits playlist, which is default playlist in many countries, then in the top you might see the banner to join the today's top fans by Spotify.com. So yeah, let's just try to see what that is actually. And then you just need to log in to Spotify. And then let's go. Um, so yeah, something like that. So you can see all these stats here. Okay, so that seems pretty cool. So you can see what's the date of the first impression. And then you can see how many times you played it and how many hours have you listened to it. So wow, that's a pretty cool stats here. And top 15. Let's see about like Maroon 5 or something. And then you can see, for example, this. So yeah, now you guys know all my stats. And there you have it. So that's, you can go to this website, todaystopfans.byspotify.com. So there you have it. Hope it is helpful.